All right, Jim, here's your 3 small block Chevrolet. Give description of combinations. Got a set of our As Cast heads. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. We've got the Holley manifold on it. Holley fuel management. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alright, Jim, 3,500 is 448 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 462, peak horsepower 461. So we're rated at 420, so it runs really good. Got a front end on it. That's our new cylinder head package and the EFI. We pulled the pipe sack, make sure it's good and clean for you. To show you a couple other things. When you receive her in, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Got all the engine build specs, dyno video, a bunch of tech stuff in. I'd recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, a bunch of other specifications. So anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, got a QR code. Hover on that, click on that, it'll take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. Have a great day.